Again, mukbang. Mukbang.
You okay, Mr. Cat? There are no ghosts up there.
Mukbang. Tanlaway ayo.
Like the dark very good.
Klaro gitu.
I usually hear the ghost when I'm in this room.
Again. See. Diet. Kaon.
Let me show you around. And if you hear someone moaning, don't be scared. It's just a ghost. This is usually when it comes out.
Diet. Kaon. Kaya lang kami solo. Litya.
It was time to pull out the big boy.
Las tasena.
Prove this is nothing more than a hoax. After all, they're no amateurs.
You'll hear them after a while. I hear the chirps every night, right after the moaning.
Hindi pwede amara el pelo. Kaon kita marami. Manalito niya pwede pumili gato. Sausawan na maanghang, may sili na malalaki.
I am coming for you. Yes, you.
Kung sino ang paborito niyo? Prito pescado with raddish or pipino.
What's all this ruckus? Ghost! I haven't slept for a week. That's for Monday, and this for Tuesday, and Wednesday, and a double dose of this for Thursday. I didn't even get to the weekend.
Kinkiri man dyan.
Okay, maybe there's no ghost. Want some pie?
Join kami. Mukbang.
Hey!
Comida de pobre. Ang sino mga comida de pobre?
Gotta believe in ghosts, right?
Okay, entra, ang video yun.
Wow, I've never seen a
Kira bukanon manadakan.
Oopsie daisy.
Tan video yo, kian kira entrang.
There it is. Let's get him.
Iyus, Ricard. Kira ka man daw na video?
Please let me out. It's dark in here.
But I
Di
thought
sila
ghosts
sila
like the
mirating
dark.
koy.
Please let me out and I'll explain everything. Thank you.
You look just like a rat.
I am.
Payo!
Ghost rat.
A rat.
Video.
I didn't mean anybody no harm. I just needed a place for me and my family to live. That's all. I figured the easiest way to get rid of you was to scare you
Come
away.
kita kag ojos de pescado, mamuta. Kuan ko sa bateo, exotic foods. Cabeza de pescado akan mamuta at ojos, coming. Sarap.
So the little mouse was wrong when he thought his house was haunted, huh? Admit it, there's no such things as ghosts. I was right. It was Mildred all the time.
Milfred.
Whatever, case closed. Tolucaville can sleep knowing there's no such things as ghosts.
Well, guess that means I should be going.
Well, I don't mind sharing the place if you don't.
Not at all. Hey, maybe you can be part of the family. What's one more mouth to feed, right?
I am kind of hungry, but I should probably go to sleep now. Night, Mildred.
Butter my buns and call me a biscuit. There are such things as ghosts after all.
You okay?
No.
I
Bye-bye.
can't wait to meet my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, it's gonna be great, kid. But maybe you shouldn't do that walking through walls thing till everyone gets to know you.
You got it, Mildred.
Oh, and one more thing. It's Milfred. There's a Fred at the end.